With the boom of social media and our favorite celebrities flaunting hourglass figures, many people aspire to have an hourglass shape of their bodies. But what exactly is an hourglass figure and how can one achieve this? Hi everyone, I am Dr. Anshu Mishra. I am a board certified cosmetic and plastic surgeon practicing in Dubai. And today in this video, I am going to talk about the hourglass figure and what can be done to achieve one. Let me begin by explaining the different body types depending on the width of the shoulders, waist and hips. There can be a rectangular shape of the body in which the width of the shoulders and the hips are same, giving it an rectangular appearance. There can be an inverted triangle appearance in which the upper part of the body, that is the shoulders, are broad, whereas the hips, they narrow down. The other type is a triangular shaped body in which the upper body or the shoulders, they are narrow and the hips are wider. An hourglass shape of a body is one in which the waistline is narrow and the shoulders and the hips, they are well proportionate. There's another type called a round body type, which is seen in people who are on a bulkier side. For an hourglass figure, it is very important to assess the size of the waist, the projection of the buttocks and the shape of the hips. Now there are different shapes of the buttocks which can be there, like a square shaped buttock, a round shaped buttock, an inverted V or a V shaped buttock. And depending on the shape, the existing shape of the butt, the certain treatment or certain procedure can be done to improve the overall shape to achieve the hourglass figure. Sometimes, despite having good projection of the buttocks, if we see somebody from front, there can be a hip dip deformity or a concavity or a depression which can be seen on the side of the hips. This may make the shape look very weird, and therefore it is important to treat this area in order to give a good hourglass figure. So which figure would look more aesthetically pleasing? A shape with a narrow waist, well projected buttocks and well contoured hips looks more aesthetically pleasing, and this is what is an hourglass figure. Do hourglass figures have big thighs? I would like to answer this question by emphasizing that there should be a smooth transition of the thighs from the hips, and as they come down, they should be tapering downwards. So it is not necessary that you should have big thighs to have an hourglass figure. What is more important is the correct proportions of the body. So how can one achieve an hourglass figure? It is very important to assess the body as a whole to look into the proportions. While achieving an hourglass figure, one tries to achieve the waist to hip ratio between 0.6 to 0.8. So liposuction can be done in the waist area to get rid of the stubborn fat, and the same fat can be processed and injected into the hip dip regions to improve the contour deformities of the hips, and can be injected to improve the projection of the buttocks. I have talked about the treatment of Brazilian butt lift in detail in one of my previous videos. You can check that out. The link is given in the description box. So I hope in this video it has been clear to you that what is an hourglass figure. To see other cosmetic surgery videos, you can subscribe to our channel. And if you still have questions, feel free to contact us. Thank you.